Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're doing something a little bit different. So I went and dropped all my jet ski parts off to Dan the powder coater in Whyalla. And while I was there, he asked me if there was any chance I'd be able to hook him up with something like this. So this here is for his sandblasting machine. It's got a nozzle. And what he wants, at the moment, he's using a different type of nozzle. These kind of nozzles. And they're a bit hard to get offhand. So what he's asked is if we can make something to suit this kind of nozzle here, because he can get them by the millions in Whyalla. So we can't just use this one here, because as you can see, it doesn't fit. To actually get the porcelain down to size takes a fair bit of effort with a diamond grinder. And it takes so much time, and it's not even worth it. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can wing something up for him. Let's get into it and see how we go.
Maybe it was you, something in the room that illuminated me. 'Cause I was in the dark, wrestling the scars, but you took away everything. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. 'Cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. You broke through everything. Now all of the doubt, all that brought me down, is a million miles away. Now I'm seeing blue sky, looking here in your eyes. I fade away in your smile as we melt into the twilight. Maybe this is more than bliss. These moments I just can't resist. 'Cause this is everything I wished, and so much more. You are my light, and everything that I want. Come take this night. Let's come alive in the dark. Let's come alive in the dark.
Alright guys, so there you go. We've gone and taken this here, a couple of bits of scrap metal, and turned it into this sucker here. So we've got our body, we've got our tip, and we've got our cap. Goes on, screws on beautifully. Like so. Nice and tight. And then we just received our taps. So we've gone ahead and tapped the hole so we can fit these fittings in there, because that's what Dan uses. Nice and easy. Sweet. So guys, we hope you liked the content. This was just a little quick video. Dan Powder Coating asked me if we can sort something out for him, so he doesn't have to worry about going overseas for tips. We've managed to smash something out, so I thought, you know what? Let's make a video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Set your notifications for upcoming videos. We're always doing something here on the channel. Stay safe and we'll catch you next time.
You are my light. everything